Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive It Out. My name is Adam and we're taking a look at a specific vehicle here that maybe you know or don't know about, but we are at the SEMA Show in Las Vegas, right? This show is known for lots of crazy, extravagant things, but if you look closely, there are some hidden gems here that have just been lightly touched, just a sprinkle of modifications here. But I want to start first by just talking about this vehicle in general. This is the Rivian R1T pickup truck. This is a smaller pickup truck that is a full EV. So I tell you what, you can get this vehicle with dual motors, or you can get it with all the way up with quad motor setup. So you're talking about 600 horsepower, there's a 700 horsepower tier, and there's an 835 horsepower tier with over 900 foot-pounds of torque. That's right, it's a full EV, lots and lots of torque, and it's happening right now. But I tell you, is that something you need? Is that something you want for a pickup truck? Is this a pickup truck you can live with every day? I tell you what, of the full EV pickup trucks, this one might be the sharpest looking and I think maybe the most practical size for a pickup truck. You're talking about, this is only 217 inches in length and it's just under 80 inches wide, all right? So it's almost the size of like a Ford Ranger. But it has this very unique look to it. You've got this bar light here across the front with those unique shaped headlights. And remember, this being a full EV, you don't need a traditional grille on the front. I tell you what, you can seat 5 people in there. You have a small bed in the back. This one, as you can clearly see, has been modified and they've added a tent. That's right, it's that overlanding thing, right, that people are getting into. This one is actually done by a company called Smittybilt, and they've added this tent setup back here. That is pretty cool no matter what truck you're driving. But this specifically, I just wanted you guys to see, because we haven't put a Rivian on the channel yet, and this is being a full EV pickup. Where does your mind go with that? What would you do with a full EV pickup? Do you think it could do the everyday stuff that you want it to do? I tell you what, if you can fit an EV into your lifestyle, I actually think it could do great, with the exception, like most EVs, of towing something. If you choose to tow something with this truck, like any other EV, your range tends to tank. But I tell you what, if you are okay with that and you still want to tow from time to time, they say that this can tow up to 11,000 pounds. But I tell you what, if you can fit a full EV in your life and you want something with a little bit more utility, the Rivian R1T, they're built right here in the United States and they're really, really sharp looking. So maybe you've seen one around town and you weren't sure quite what it is. This is what it is. They make the SUV version too, but I really like the R1T, the truck version. So anyway, guys, we are here at the SEMA Show. There's so many amazing things to see. We've got some great video of some other vehicles here, and you never know what you're gonna see when you're walking around here at the SEMA Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Really wanted to share this truck with you. I'll see you guys in the next review.